Microsoft Teams tutorial. Every student now is using Microsoft Teams with their teachers. For each student, they'll have a picture of a number of different subjects that they do, and in order to see an assignment, they have to click on that subject. They will then see the assignment in the newsfeed, which they click on, and this is what it will look like. So you can see the assignment title there is just test assignment, and the instructions are below. You can also see then in the top right hand corner there is the hand in button. Now it's very important that before a student clicks hand in, they have to add work. So they click on the plus sign there beside add work. This then will bring the student to their OneDrive, so if they're using OneDrive online, they can click on the right folder, the right document, and attach it. You can see there's a blue line underneath. Once that blue line reaches the other side, that means it's attached. But you still have to make sure to click hand in. Once you do, this little celebration appears to show that you've submitted your work. To upload onto Teams from your iPhone, click on Assignments, click on the class in question, and then click on the assignment that you're looking for. You'll then see the instructions for that assignment, and then the Add Work button. That'll give you some options like to add a new file. So there you can add a Word document, PowerPoint or Excel, or you have the option to add a link either, so that might be a link to a website. You also then have the upload from this device option. So if you click on that, it gives you access to your camera. You can take a picture and upload it. You then click hand in and you'll get a celebration to show that you've handed it in.